Okay. Yeah, that might be right answer. Yeah, five zeros. Okay. Okay, let me solve this one. So again the same method I will apply here. It is 65 and I will divide this one with this base. Base is 2. Okay, if we divide this one, so I will divide 65 with 2. So I can say it is 2 3 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6. Okay, after that it is 5, 2 2 2 ja 4, and this one. So remainder is what? 1, and this is what the quotient. So we can say here remainder is 1 and this result is what? 32. Okay, again I will divide this one with 2. ठीक है, तो इसको डिवाइड करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा? That 32 डिवाइड बाय 2. So 2 1 जा 2, so 1 and 2, 2 6 ja 12 and 0. So remainder is 0 and this one is quotient is 16. So I can say here it is 16 and remainder is what? 0. Next time again divide with 2. So if we divide this one with 2, it become 8 and remainder is 0. Next time divide with 2. So 2 4 ja 8 and remainder is again 0. Next time 2, 2 2 ja 4 and remainder is 0. Next time 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2, remainder is 0. And finally we cannot divide this one, so we can write down this one in this format. So it is a 1 0 0. So 0 is a 1 2 3 4 5, 5 times 0. So we can say it is a 1, 5 times 0, after that 1, and base is 2, and finally this is what the result. Okay, this is what the result. Or you can verify this one. Verify कैसे करेंगे? ये काफ़ी बेसिक चीज़ें कर रहे हैं हम, मेरे ख्याल से आप लोगों को आती होंगी ज़रूर, बट फॉर फॉर्मेलिटी से यू कैन से, तो अपने को करनी है ये चीज़ें. सो 2 पावर 0 मीन्स this one. Next is 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5 and 2 power 6. हमने क्या कर लिया? हर एक वैल्यूज के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग उसका वेट असाइन कर दिया है ना. सो यहाँ पे 1 है और यहाँ पे 1 है. जहां पे 1 होगा उनका वेट निकाल दो और क्या कर लो? ऐड कर दो. और 0 वाला वेट क्या होगा? दैट विल बी सिंपली 0. So we can say 2 power 6 means it is 64 plus this one 2 power 0 means it is 1, so we can say this one, and finally this is nothing but 65, and 65 in decimal number. So finally what we can conclude, we can verify that this is the right result. ठीक है, तो ये क्या है? इसकी करेक्ट बाइनरी रहेगी. Okay, so finally this is what the way to solve the problem which is decimal to binary number. ठीक है, तो डेसिमल से बाइनरी में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे? दिस इज द मेथड. सो इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल? यस, इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल? ओके, okay, fine. Let's see the next example. So already we have seen two example for the binary. I think you can solve another examples also. So I will not take the example for the binary, means decimal to the binary. Now what I will do, I will take decimal to the octal, right? I will take decimal number, I will convert that one to octal number. Let's see. It is a decimal to octal, decimal number to octal. So we can say it is base 10 to base 8. ठीक है, तो बेस 10 से बेस 8 पे अपने को जाना है, कैसे करेंगे? लेट्स सी. Assume that here number is given as, just a minute, number is given as, assume 65 again. This is the number given, and this is what in decimal number. I want to convert this one into base 8. Okay, I want to convert this one into base 8. How to convert this one? So again the same procedure I will follow, that I will divide 65 with this base 8. Okay, so I will take 65 and divide by 8. Okay, Puna has already solved this one. Yeah, this might be the right answer. So let me solve this one. So 65, 8 or 8, it is 64. 8 8 जा 64, रिमाइंडर इज 1. सो ऐसे करके देख सकते हैं, किसी को ना पता चले तो वी कैन से 65 डिवाइड बाय 8. तो 8 8 8 64 होता है ना, सो इट इज 64 and base remainder is what, 8 8 ja, and remainder is 1. So we can say it is remainder, and this is what the quotient. Okay, next one, it is again dividing 8, dividing by 8. If we divide this one by 8, 8 1 ja, and its base remainder is 0. So finally we can say this one is the result. So we cannot further divide this one, so we can say this is directly the result. So result is what, it is a 1 0 1, and its base is 8. Okay, so this is what the decimal number. I have converted this decimal number into octal number. This is what the octal number, which is 101. ओके, इफ यू वांट टू वेरीफाई दिस वन यू कैन वेरीफाई ऑल्सो. तो रिवर्स प्रोसीजर क्या रहेगा, दैट ऑक्टल को डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करना है. कैसे करेंगे, ये वाला मेथड. इट इज 8 पावर 0 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 प्लस इट इज 0 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 8 पावर 1 प्लस इट इज 1 multiply by 8 power 2. Finally we can say 8 power 0 means it is 8, sorry, 8 power 0 means it is 1, multiply by 1 means 1, and it is what, 8 8 is 64, and okay, am I doing anything wrong? Yes, it is 0. So this one is not a 64, this is what, a 0. What about this one, 8 8 is so it is 64, and multiply by 1 means 64. Finally it is 65. ठीक है, so hence it is verified that this number is 64. so finally we can say this is the correct octal one. ठीक है, वेरीफाई वैसे करके नहीं देखना, अभी के लिए जस्ट रिवर्स प्रोसीजर मैंने बताया है कि दिस इज द वे. सो इज इट फाइन? सो नाउ लेट मी टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल. और नंबर सिस्टम थोड़ा सा बेटर वे में हमें सीखना है फॉर एस्टेट, और वी कैन से दैट पीजीटी आल्सो. दे आस्क द क्वेश्चंस, maximum time they ask the question from this number system. Okay, so let's see the next one. 96 in base 10, and I want to convert this one into base 8. Yes, try for this question. This is what the base 10 I want to convert into base 8. Try for this one firstly. Okay, it is 140. Yeah, maybe right answer. 140 again. Yeah, 140. So I think it is the right one. Let's see. 96. So again, same procedure. Divide this one with this base. So base is 8. So I will divide by 8. So 96 divide by 8. So 8 1 ja 8. Okay. So this one 1 and 6. 8 2 ja 16. Right. So it is 16 means 0, remainder is 0 now, and this is what the quotient. So I can say here it is quotient and remainder is 0. Let's see next one. It is 8 divided by we'll divide 12 by 8. So if we divide this one, it is 8 1 जा, क्या कर रहे हैं हम 12 को डिवाइड कर रहे हैं किससे 8 से. So 8 1 जा, it is 8, and what I can say 4, remainder is 4. So here remainder is 4. Yes, किसी का अनम्यूट हो रखा है प्लीज, और वो बेबी को खिला रहा है ना, तो अनम्यूट कर लें प्लीज. सॉरी, म्यूट कर लें, अनम्यूट नहीं, म्यूट. या सो नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट 8. हाँ, ये 12 को क्या करना है 8 से डिवाइड करना है. 8 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो ये वाला रिजल्ट होगा. कोशिएंट में क्या आ गया 1 आ गया, और रिमाइंडर क्या होगा दैट इज 4. So I have written. Further I cannot divide this one, so I can say this is what the result. Finally result is what it is 4 1 4 and 0, and base is 8. This is what the finally result for 96 in decimal, and this is what the result for the decimal number, and now it is in octal. ठीक है, तो फाइनली ये रिजल्ट रहेगा, एंड आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू ऑल. यस और नॉट? ओ, पूनम थकी हुई है, धीरे से बोल रही है, एनर्जी लेस होके. अच्छा, फोन दूर रखा था. ओ, इट्स ओके. Okay, fine. Let's see the next. So next one is what I want to convert this number 96 into base 16, right? So let's see. Next one is what, here it is a decimal number. I want to convert this one into hexadecimal number, right? Hexadecimal. So I can say it is a base 10. I want to convert this one into base 16. So again I will follow the same method, that I will divide with that one and I will rectify the problem. So let me take this one. Here it is 96 as base 10. I want to convert into base 16. So what I will do, yes, some of candidates they have solved this one. So I will divide with 16, right? तो 96 को क्या करना है 16 से divide करेंगे. Okay, let's see. So here 96 डिवाइड बाय 16, वो 16 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा ये यस, तो फाइनली 96 को क्या करना है, 16 से डिवाइड करना है। यस, कितने में जाएगा ये बताओ मुझे, मुझे पढ़े पढ़े नहीं आते हैं, भूल गया मैं। 16 छिक्के 96 होते हैं क्या, भूला बैठा हूँ ये सारी चीज़ें। यस, 6, right? So it is 96 and remainder is what, 0. Okay, so here it is 6, quotient is 6 and remainder is 0. Now can I divide this one again with 16? No, I cannot divide this one, so finally I can say this one, it is 6 and 0. 6 and 0 and its base is what, its base is 16. Okay, finally this is what the result. Let's solve one more question. It is 126 in decimal. I want to convert this one into hexadecimal. Okay, try for this one. What should be the result? Okay, 7D. Yeah, might be correct. 7D. Okay, so let's see this one. So again, same procedure, 126 divided by 16. Okay, divided by this base. So if we divide this one, 126 divided by 16, what should be the result? Yes, बताना मुझे, टेबल क्या रहेगा यहाँ पे, कितने में जाएगा? ओके, 7 कितना आ जाएगा? 112। हाँ हाँ हाँ, 16 7 112। ओके, सो हाँ हाँ, अच्छी बात है, मेरे को तो याद नहीं है ये। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे कितना रहेगा, 4, और ये कितना रहेगा, दैट इज 1, 14। ठीक है, so we can say remainder is this one and quotient is this one. So here it is 7 and here it is 14. And further, can we divide this one? We cannot divide, so we can write down this one. So it is nothing but 7 and 14. So 14, this can be written as like 10, 11, 12 and 13 and 14. So we can say this one is A, this one is B, this is C, and this one is D, and this one is E. Am I correct? So I think result should be 7E. और हम क्या बता रहे थे, 7D। आप लोगों ने गलत कर दिया या मैंने कुछ मिस्टेक किया है? It is 7 and E. I think it is 7E in base 16. Is it correct? Okay. सब ने फ्लो में D कर दिया है ना? Okay, so finally this is what the result, and this is the way to convert the decimal number into other numbers. Other number we can say converting decimal number into binary number. तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, again divide करना पड़ेगा that decimal number to the octal number. Again क्या कर रहे हैं, divide कर रहे हैं, किससे, उसके बेस से, जिसमें कन्वर्ट करना है ना उसके बेस से। तो यहाँ पे 16 में कन्वर्ट करना था तो इससे 16 से डिवाइड कर रहे थे। ऐसे ही हेक्साडेसिमल में डेसिमल नंबर को क्या करना है, कन्वर्ट करना है किसमें, हेक्साडेसिमल में। तो क्या करना है, 16 से डिवाइड कर देंगे, राइट। एंड दिस इज व्हाट द प्रोसीजर of converting the decimal into hexadecimal. So in the now time is what, less than 1 minute remaining, so we'll over for today, and in the next class we'll discuss about the further convergence. Okay, so this is for the starting day of for the digital, and in the next class we'll move for the further convergence. Fine. Okay, welcome.